I searched on Google for what Web 3.0 is, and I got lots of data regarding it. So if you're watching this video, get ready to learn exactly what Web 3.0 is and what it means for cryptocurrencies. Welcome to our channel, guys. Here we explain information related to Web3, blockchain, and cryptocurrency with beautiful animations so that you can easily understand them. In this video, we're going to explain what Web 3.0 is, and yes, on the web or anywhere else, there is no such definition or anything simple that explains Web 3.0. So for better understanding, I'm going to explain you from the beginning as Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and then Web 3.0 so you can understand easily. So let's get started. Web 1.0, the original internet, provided an experience now known as Web 1.0. The term was coined in 1999 by author and web designer Darcy Nuchai when distinguishing between Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. In the early 1990s, websites were built using static HTML pages that could only display information. There was no way for users to change the data or upload their own. Social interactions were limited to simple chat messengers and forums. Web 2.0. During the late 1990s, a shift towards a more interactive internet started taking form. With Web 2.0, users were able to interact with websites through databases, server-side processing, forums, and social media. These tools changed the web experience from a static to a dynamic one. Web 2.0 brought an increased emphasis on user-generated content and interoperability between different sites and applications. Web 2.0 was less about observation and more about participation. By the mid-2000s, most websites transitioned to Web 2.0, and big tech began building up social networks and cloud-based services. The future and Web 3.0. The evolution of a semantically intelligent web makes sense when looking at the Internet's history. Data was first statically presented to users. Then users could interact with that data dynamically. Now, algorithms will use all that data to improve user experience and make the web more personalized and familiar. You only need to look at YouTube or Netflix to see the power of algorithms and how they have already improved. Web 3.0, while not fully defined, can leverage peer-to-peer, P2P, technologies like blockchain, open-source software, virtual reality, the Internet of Things, IoT, and more. Web 3.0 also aims to make the Internet more open and decentralized. In the current framework, users rely on network and cellular providers that access their personal data and information. With the advent of distributed ledger technologies that soon might change and users could take back ownership of their data. Let's talk more about Web 3.0 in detail, what it actually is and how it works. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, for getting amazing quality informative content regularly. Web 3.0, also known as Web 3, is the next generation of internet technology that heavily relies on machine learning, artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology. The term was created by Gavin Wood, Polkadot's founder, and the co-founder of Ethereum. While Web 2.0 focuses on user-created content hosted on centralized websites, Web 3.0 will give users more control of their online data. The movement aims to create open, connected, intelligent websites and web apps with an improved machine-based understanding of data. Decentralization and digital economies also play an important role in Web 3.0, as they allow us to place value on the content created on the net. It's also important to understand that Web 3.0 is a changing concept. There is no single definition, and its exact meaning can differ from person to person. How does Web 3.0 work? Web 3.0 aims to provide personalized and relevant information faster through the use of AI and advanced machine learning techniques. Smarter search algorithms and development in big data analytics will mean that machines can intuitively understand and recommend content. Web 3.0 will also focus on user ownership of content and support for accessible digital economies. Current websites typically display static information or user-driven content, like forums or social media. While this allows data to be published to the masses, it doesn't cater to specific users' needs. A website should tailor the information it provides to each user, similar to the dynamism of real-world human communication. With Web 2.0, once this information is online, users lose ownership and control. Hopefully, you have understood Web 3.0 by now. The evolution of the Internet has been a long journey and will surely continue towards further iterations. With the massive explosion of available data, websites and applications are transitioning to a more immersive web experience. While there is still no concrete definition for Web 3.0, the innovations are already in motion. It's plain to see the direction we are going, and blockchain, of course, looks to be a key part of the Web 3.0 future. So, thank you guys for watching this far. We hope that you enjoyed it and most importantly learned something from it. And hoping to see you in our next videos. Bye.